Zero-budget wooden art has become one of the most inspiring creative movements of our time, offering makers a path to transform discarded wood into eco-elegant masterpieces that not only enhance homes, but also open doors to artistic growth, income potential, and a meaningful personal brand. What makes this approach so powerful is its accessibility. Anyone, regardless of experience or financial resources, can begin crafting beautiful, high-impact decor using wood that would otherwise be thrown away. These scraps, cut-offs, broken boards, old furniture parts, and leftover planks may appear worthless. Yet in the hands of a thoughtful creator, they become the foundation of expressive, nature-inspired artwork that resonates deeply with today's desire for sustainability, authenticity, and handmade beauty. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Working with discarded wood encourages creativity by challenging makers to see potential where others see waste, sharpening artistic vision, and teaching the invaluable skill of transformation. The natural textures, warm tones, imperfections, and organic shapes found in reclaimed wood offer a canvas unlike any other. Each piece brings history, character, and personality that blend effortlessly into modern interior design. As creators hone their craft, they learn to work with grain patterns, cracks, knots, and weathered surfaces, turning limitations into unique artistic signatures that make their work stand out in a world overwhelmed by mass-produced decor. For many, zero-budget wooden art becomes a gateway to developing real artistic identity. Instead of relying on expensive materials or advanced tools, artists learn to rely on their instincts, their hands, and their imagination. This approach nurtures a raw, authentic relationship with the material, allowing creativity to flow naturally. As skills grow, so does confidence. The ability to shape reclaimed wood into wall art, sculptural accents, minimalist decor, or rustic centerpieces becomes empowering, proving that craftsmanship is not reserved for those with large budgets or professional workshops. Each creation becomes a personal statement, a reflection of the maker's style and interpretation of nature. This emotional connection between artist and material translates beautifully into the finished pieces, making them not just decor, but expressions of intention, resilience, and beauty found in unexpected places. The financial opportunity embedded in zero-budget wooden art is equally transformative. Because the raw materials cost nothing, or close to it, the profit margin on finished pieces is incredibly high. Makers can turn scrap wood into modern wall hangings, geometric art, candle holders, plant shelves, coasters, signs, or sculptural decor that sells quickly at craft fairs, online marketplaces, home decor boutiques, and local artisan shops. Buyers are increasingly drawn to items that tell a story, pieces that reflect sustainability, craftsmanship, and the charm of natural materials. Owning decor made from reclaimed wood allows homeowners to feel connected to the environment and to the artist who created it. In this way, every sale becomes more than a transaction. It becomes a sharing of values and a celebration of creativity. For creators hoping to build a brand, this emotional appeal is incredibly powerful. A zero-budget woodworking brand can position itself around eco-conscious design, handmade uniqueness, and artistic storytelling, all qualities that resonate strongly with today's decor consumers. Over time, makers can build a loyal audience who follow their journey, appreciate their philosophy of renewal, and seek out their one-of-a-kind creations. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Just as importantly, zero-budget wooden art contributes to a larger cultural shift towards sustainability and mindful living. Each piece created from discarded wood becomes a small act of environmental responsibility, one less item in the landfill, and one more example of how beauty can grow from what others overlook. This inspires both creators and buyers to think differently about materials, consumption, and waste. The movement reminds us that creativity does not depend on newness or perfection. It thrives in resourcefulness, imagination, and the willingness to see value in the forgotten. Homes decorated with reclaimed wood art feel warm, grounded, and connected to nature, giving people a sense of calm and comfort in a fast-paced world. In these pieces, viewers often find both aesthetic pleasure and emotional meaning, proof that decor can be both beautiful and purposeful. As artists continue working with zero-budget materials, they naturally strengthen their craftsmanship and broaden their skill set. Experimenting with textures, shapes, finishes, and compositions leads to deeper artistic discovery. Makers learn how different woods behave, how to combine pieces for stronger visual impact, and how to bring harmony to designs while allowing the natural uniqueness of each scrap to shine. This ongoing exploration becomes a long-term creative journey, one that grows, evolves, and encourages makers to push their abilities further. Over time, they begin developing recognizable style signatures that set their work apart, helping to establish a clear brand identity that attracts devoted followers and customers. What makes zero-budget wooden art so special is that it brings joy to both the creator and the buyer. For the artist, it offers the satisfaction of turning something overlooked into something cherished, allowing creativity to flourish without the pressure of expensive materials or high risk. For the buyer, it offers decor that carries meaning, soul, and connection, pieces that bring the beauty of nature indoors and elevate the emotional environment of a home. Each creation becomes more than just decoration. It becomes a symbol of renewal, a reminder that beauty can arise from reinvention, and a testament to the power of craftsmanship. Whether displayed in a living room, hung in a hallway, or gifted to someone special, reclaimed wood art brings story, warmth, and life into the spaces it touches. Ultimately, the movement of zero-budget wooden art is about far more than making decor. It is a philosophy that celebrates creativity without limits, entrepreneurship without heavy investment, sustainability with genuine impact, and home decor with emotional resonance. It shows that anyone, regardless of background or budget, can create eco-elegant masterpieces that inspire, comfort, and captivate. It empowers everyday dreamers to build skills, shape identity, generate income, and share beauty with the world, all while honoring nature and elevating the spaces we live in. With nothing more than discarded wood, imagination, and the will to create, artists can craft pieces that not only sell, but also touch hearts, transform homes, and build lasting legacy in the world of mindful, meaningful design. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.